Some homes are renovated, others are respected. This Spanish revival was built in 1928 by the architect James Conway as his personal residence. It remained in the same family for nearly 70 years, largely unchanged. When our clients acquired the property, their objective wasn't reinvention, it was stewardship, focused on preserving most of the main original details in the home, with its step-down living room with vaulted truss ceiling and wrought iron fireplace, arched pocket doors mirroring the exterior double arched doors in the media room and in the expansive dining room set for entertaining, while the eat-in kitchen was brought forward for modern living, as were each bathroom, including the spa-like primary suite with step-out balcony. Outside, a formerly hardscaped patio was reimagined into a landscape extension of the home, allowing for the architecture to engage with the outdoors in a way that feels original to the era. This is a home for someone who values architectural integrity, but also expects livability. Located between Coldwater Canyon and Franklin Canyon Parks, within a desired school district, it offers a rare balance of design pedigree, environment, and long-term relevance. Properties like this aren't common. They're simply recognized by the right buyer.